This here is not Queen Anne's lace. This is carrots in which was grown last year, not harvested, and is going to seed. Queen Anne's lace can be considered a wild carrot in some documentations. This here, we had carrots grown in this bed. They didn't germinate. We've basically forgot about them. And then these germinated this year and have put seed pods on. That's the flower. If left alone, each one of these will become a carrot. Now, we will save these carrots. However, I would not advise doing it the way we're doing it because there was no root of carrot here last year to harvest. So it has just gone through its normal biannual cycle. We also can find that carrots will go to seed the first year, even with a root on it, if conditions are favorable and they're extremely stressed. So just want to show you what the white flower looks like on carrots that are going to seed, and then these have already went from the flower and are beginning to develop the actual seeds themselves.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.